All right. So after yesterday's dynamite presentation, we say that with a smirk on our face. We're going to play a short game of ping pong between the remaining class. Okay? So, in other words, here is going to be our end product. And a big question mark there. Okay. So hopefully that should auto. Oh, yep, there it auto focuses. I guess, man, I'm kind of like the Flash. I go back and forth too fast, so the camera just can't focus. I doubt that. So, all right. So here's our game of ping pong. Who starts?
Well, I'd say you start with benzene.
Okay. So we're gonna start with a benzene ring. Okay. What's next? He served it to you. How are you going to return it?
Add Cl and then an ethyl group.
Okay, so I heard we're going to add.
Ethyl group and then a Cl.
Okay, so we want an ethyl group. See, I'm glad you said that. You didn't say ethane and a Cl. You said an ethyl group. Okay, so notice, because we're not sure how many hydrogens, and then the big question mark would be what one of you decides to, wherever that lands, to put on there as a possible element. So we said ethyl group, so C2H what? 5 or 6? Okay. So then return to you. You said 5. Now, what else would we want to add on to there?
Cl.
Okay. All right. He returned it back to you. What happens here?
There's a metal catalyst.
Okay. I'll be the ref and I'll just do that for you. Okay. So then he said metal catalyst. Now what happens? Over to you.
Then that's just going to be a benzene ring with an ethyl group on it, no chlorine.
I'm just going under the notion that we know that that's going to be C2H5. So then, okay, he returned it back to you. How are we going to get that to whatever we think that is?
Add chlorine.
Okay, you are not wrong, but you need to be just a little careful when we say that. Why is that? You had a 50-50 chance, and you picked the right one. Because if we don't add heat, what happens if we use another metal catalyst?
It goes on a different carbon.
Yeah, it's going to go on a different carbon. So now, to wrap this up, we've got C2H what? Okay, then over to here. The hard part's done already. Don't mess this up or else you just whiffed. I don't think he knew you returned the ball over to him.
Chlorine.
Yep, you didn't whiff. You put chlorine on there. All right. So there again, just trying to throw something, I don't know if I want to say known material or material that we've covered before, but trying to present in a different way. Just the like trying to challenge your minds, put you on the spot and think, oh my gosh, what do I do now? What do I do now? And it's that thinking skills that have allowed you ladies to be successful. You are being proactive rather than, what I want to say, maybe more so reactive than, I'm sure there's a better word that I can think of, but what it takes to understand this is also a parallelism to the success that you ladies have had this year. Done a wonderful job. So again, best wishes out there, and just do our best. That's all we can ask. So we wanted to keep it short, and wow, we kept it under 10 minutes. See, actually going to be under 6. So with that, we will catch up to you next time.